Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing with you guys 14 survey sites that you can use to make money online in Nigeria. But to those of you who don't know what surveys are, surveys simply are companies who pay you to answer questions on certain products. For example, Pepsi might be asking people how their latest Pepsi product is, how does it taste, what improvements can be made, and all this kind of stuff like that. So it's just simple everyday questions, and you get paid to do it. I really found this awesome article online. If you're in Nigeria, it will help you a lot. It's from Mikael. Shout out to him. He's one of those that I respect so much in surveys and making money online, guys. He's a great guy. You can subscribe to his YouTube channel as well. Subscribe to his channel and get the best out of it, because I just learned from him and I implement it and it works out for me. So yeah. So surveys, I will say, is difficult for Nigerians to do surveys, but these 14 I will say are the best of the best that I have used, and they pay me. And I don't want to waste much of your time, but something that I will want you guys to know first of all is that the payment methods will be different from each survey site, and I will recommend that you register to as many as possible. If you can register to all the 14, fine and good. If you cannot, fine and good. And also make sure that you check your phone often. So check your phone often, have an internet connection so that you can be doing the surveys as quick as they come up. Some of them you'll see that they take less than 2 minutes for it to do a survey, but the price you will get $1, $2, and things like that. So make sure you are ready. And just to let you guys know that you will not be accepted for every survey that you do. You cannot. It's just how surveys are. You can't be accepted for every survey, but try as much as possible to fill in your profile and do all those other stuff. So this 14 is to help you out to start something this 2023, guys. So yeah, just be aware of that. And some of these sites, they do have other tasks that you can do, and I will be telling you some of the sites that you can have more ways of making money online. It's not just through surveys alone, but there are other ways you can earn by subscribing to newsletters, things like that, that you can be able to make some money extra on it. So the first which I have used is Switch On. It's a survey app. Not there, I don't think they have an app yet, but it's a survey website where you get to answer questions, and specifically is mainly for Nigeria, South Africa, and I think some other countries as well. But Nigeria is definitely there, and I've made money online there, and I've withdrawn money from it, so you can check it out. By the way, I'll drop the link of this article on the description box so that you can check the whole article, read for yourselves, and get the whole details. As you can see, payout methods, the methods they pay is gift cards, cash, and airtime, and payout threshold depends on the reward. So yeah, you can join with this. Join Switched On here. And the second, which I would say is my favorite, is actually Survey Time. Survey Time majorly pays through PayPal and Bitcoin. So there is no threshold, like it says here, no threshold. So once you finish a survey, you get paid. The money is sent to your PayPal account or your Bitcoin address immediately. No matter how long the survey is, no matter how short the survey is, you get paid $1 per survey, and it's really fast. I can't show you my email now because of privacy reasons, but the surveys you get about 20. Personally, I get about 20 survey invitations in a day. So just imagine if I just do only 10, That is $10, and I've already made that 10,000. That I that is in the thumbnail. So you could just do 10 and you convert that to maybe $10, and you'll see that you're making something around 8 to 10,000, guys. So you can read more on this from here. And the third is TGM panel. TGM panel is really nice because I have withdrawn from it. Yeah, they pay through gift cards, PayPal. Currently, yeah, gift cards and PayPal, and the payout threshold is $10, and it has different surveys and different ways that you can earn. One of the ways is through referral. So you refer people there, you earn as well. And if you finish surveys, the more surveys you complete, you get paid for that survey. But at the same time also, you do get paid extra for completing the survey. So for example, I do a survey of $3, I get the $3, then there's an extra bonus for just completing it, maybe of 0 or of 50 cents or something like that. So yeah, so Timebox is another one which I would recommend. They pay through Bitcoin, Skrill, ATM, Payeer, bank transfer, and Neteller. If you don't know how to create a Skrill account, Neteller account, or Payeer account, just let me know so that I can help you guys out. So payout threshold is $10, guys. So yeah, so make sure you join. Then the one which I would say worldwide, it's Surveyor. Yeah, Surveyor, the fit. Surveyor works worldwide, pays through PayPal, Amazon gift card, and yeah, it really works, guys. And there are lots of surveys on it. I have personally used it. And another favorite of mine is number 6, Triaba. Triaba pays through PayPal, gift cards, and the threshold is $7. Triaba, there is an app you can use to open your Triaba account, opinion app, but that's on another video. If you are interested, you can let me know in the comment section so that I can help you guys out on how to set it up. Just open the app and do the survey, or you can just do it from the website itself. So yeah, guys, join, sign up with your profile, and you are ready to go. So another one which I would recommend is Mobrock. When I started online surveys, the first survey that paid me was Mobrock, and I remember those days. It was really something nice to get that little money, which I started with. It was a big motivation, and Mobrock was key to that. So yeah, they pay through PayPal and Skrill. Again, if you don't know how to create a PayPal account that is working and verified, or a Skrill account, let me know and I will help you out. So number 8, which I would say I've made the most amount of money on, is Ysense. Ysense pays like crazy, pays like mad, pays mad. Once you finish a single survey, you get the next survey. So it's just unlimited. And on here, you can also do other tasks, maybe by playing video games, reaching a certain level and you get paid, or maybe completing minor tasks like subscribing and other stuff like that. So yeah, the payout threshold is just $5. You can get paid through PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, gift cards. Personally, I use PayPal. So yeah, for everything. So another one which is not really a survey site, but it is a site that lets you earn by using data that you don't use. So for example, currently now I do have data, but I don't use it. There's background data that is being taken from my internet subscription. So Honeygain pays me for that background data that I use. Currently I've withdrawn from it $20, and if you use the referral link, yeah, you get, I think, $10. Is it 10 or 5? Yeah, something of that nature. So yeah, you get $5. So yeah, you get that and you get paid as long as the internet is on. You have an internet connection and you have data in your phone, so you get paid $20 through PayPal and Bitcoin. Again, I will drop a link to this article in the description so that you can check it for yourself, read more in-depth reviews, and subscribe to Mikael's channel. Don't also forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I really appreciate it. So number 10 is Squawkbox. Squawkbox pays through gift cards. Payout threshold is $10, and yeah, you get to do other tasks as well, subscribing, doing micro tasks, and all that good stuff. So another is Cointiply. Cointiply is mostly, I would say, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, where it's like a survey. You get to do lots of things on it, all those minor tags and mining and all those stuffs. Click on ads, watch ads, and things like that, and you get paid. So the minimum you can withdraw is $3.5, which is quite little. So yeah, another is Wow app rather. So they pay through PayPal, bank transfer, and all those things. As well, you can also donate the money to charity. So yeah, various charitable organizations you can donate your money to help others as well. So that is that for Wow app. It's really nice, guys. Most of them I've used. And I would say that it's really nice user interface and really easy to use. The number 13 is Feature Points. They pay through PayPal, Bitcoin, gift cards, and the payout threshold is $3, which is really low, guys. So you have to be using these opportunities. Just imagine making $10 in a day. 10 times 30, change that's $300, and you convert that to your local currency, you will know how much you'll be making, guys. So this is something you need to be doing this 2023. It's a new year. Do this and you will get some money and you really appreciate it. So number 14 is Rewards One. Pay through PayPal, gift cards, custom rewards, and all those stuffs like that. So yeah, it's another survey site. Payout threshold is just $5. So this is it, guys, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share. As you can see, most of us, we watch it but we don't subscribe and turn on the notifications, so it's difficult for me to know how the performance of the video is, what you think about it, and what you want me to improve on, or what you want to see more in future videos. So please do well to subscribe, like, and share the video, and let me know what you think in the comment sections. I'll be there to answer any questions, any clarifications, or anything like that. So see you next time, guys. Ciao.